So exciting day on the homestead. Got mail.
Got mail.
Actually, I already opened it. So.
It's not mail anymore.
Okay. Well, here, it's mailed to you. I already know what's in there.
Okay, I think I know what it is now.
Mm-hmm.
Seeds.
Yep, we got our seeds, didn't we?
So our Burpee order came in, and from Burpee we got bush beans.
Ooh, bush beans.
Mm-hmm. We got carrots.
I saw carrots saying like,
Tomatoes. Chives. And sweet peppers.
and more tomatoes.
Yep, more tomatoes.
But that one doesn't have a lot.
And cucumber. And all those that we got were all heirloom seeds. So, yes. Those are ones that we got from the store. And we also got this in. We just got it today.
Drum roll, please. It is
Books.
books.
Okay, so I want to start out with, hold on, Boo. I want to start out with this one. This is called Seed to Seed, and we actually heard about this from Shed Wars community. They had a live going on, and one of the members brought this up. That community, I tell you what, there's a whole lot of knowledge. So if one of them is recommending a book, better believe I'm ordering it.
Ooh, can I see
Let me
that
see
one?
that.
Yeah, look at that.
And then this is one that I was kind of interested in, Midwest medicinal plants, because I'm not really necessarily one for,
Going to the doctor.
well, I will go to the doctor, but I'm not necessarily one that is all about medicines. Like, obviously, if I had to take them, I would. I'm not like a moron.
Right.
Not saying that people that don't take medicines is a moron. That come out really bad. I'm just not, if there is a natural way to do it, I would prefer a natural medicine or herbs or whatever over traditional Western prescriptions.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a better way to put it. It's Midwest Foraging. So, pretty much the book covers just about every kind of plant that would be in our area that you can forage, and, you know, whether it be for medicines or, you know, food or whatever. But, I mean, obviously we do some foraging, you know, like
We mushroom
hunt, stuff like that.
Right.
Little ginseng here and there, but we've not really gotten into that real heavy. But in all honesty, we haven't gotten into it heavy because we really don't know what we're looking at or what we're doing. So, yeah, kind of excited to see about that.
Check into the foraging part of it.
Yeah. In this one, they have like different, like mid to late spring, you know, what to be expected in our area, summer. And on. But it tells you what kind of plants. And then it goes into each plant, what it looks like, what it's for, and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm really looking forward to this one. And the good part about it is there's still quite a bit of winter left for us, so that gives us plenty of time to get our reading up and
get her studied up and looked up and
get us some education going on.
But this one, like, these are big books, and they, like, go to...
Yeah, you should be able to read that in, what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, and a book report be done by the end of the night.
Yeah.
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 And should have plenty of time to get a shower.
Ooh. What do you do with these sunflowers?
Dandelion?
Yeah, dandelions.
Well, let's see. Let's see what it says about dandelion.
Mustard green.
I've never really been one to get into eating dandelion greens, but
My grandma used to come out here and dig them up when I was a kid and make, I don't know what that was. I don't know what
greens.
Greens and vinegar and cook them up.
See, I would be more apt to eat them raw than cooked. I don't like them cooked.
Everything I thought of about them, I mean, I can see either or now, I guess. As a kid, I always thought of it as, you know, the dog just peed on that. That's the way I always seen it. I never ate them. I thought she was
Obviously,
nice.
other than eating it, it says you can make a tea.
Ooh, it'd be good for you because you love tea.
I do love teas, don't I?
Can be mixed with carbonate as a lymphatic herb. The dandelion
And flowers can be used in a topical oil.
massaged all over cystic and fibrous tissues.
You can make oil and all that.
Infused oil. Be kind of good with it. And then you can do, they've got recipe for, well, not really recipe, but they've got dandelion root tea, dandelion root tincture. I don't know how to say that.
And dandelion flower infused oil. 'Cause I
We
like
do have a
those.
challenge for everybody. I want everybody to ask yourself, and I want you to say, is it a dandelion or is it a dandelion? Which one is that? Leave that in the comments below. Which one, because you know what? I've never walked across the yard before and said, you know what? That's a dandelion out there.
Yeah.
It's a dandy.
It is a dandy.
It's a dandy.
Clearly, it is a dandy.
It's
'Cause
a
there's a lot
clearly
of look at all the uses for that. It is a dandelion.
that the dog peed on. Yes.
Wait, I
So,
like it.
Annabelle and I are going to go out to the dog pen and we're going to get Grammy some dandelions and make her some tea out of it.
It's my family. Okay, this video is going south fast. So
What happened?
we better just cut it there. I don't know how much of that I'm even gonna have to edit out. Good night.
Oh, I don't even think I'd edit that. I'd just let her go. Let her go.
Let her
Just
go.
let her go. Seed to seed.
This book.
Municipal Plants.
Municipal?
No,
Is
no.
that municipal? Is it grown in the city? It's municipal plants. These are the only plants you can get in the. These are medicinal plants. And then I got foraging.
Foraging. No, we're not blacksmithing. We're foraging. We're not
I'm
foraging.
not foraging.
We're not foraging.
I'm not foraging. I'm foraging.
Thanks for stopping by.
Ooh.